Hello everyone, this is Kate from Fadekang Packaging Machinery. Today I will show you how to operate our small packaging machine. Okay, follow me. This one is the control panel, and this one is the screw machine. The volume of the hopper is 16 liters, and this one is the rolling part. Okay, here, this one is the coding machine. It can print the production date and effective date. And this one is the color mark sensor. Okay, here, this one is the bed former, which decides the bed weight. And here is the sealing part and the cutting part. Okay, now let me show you how to operate the machine. First step, let's turn on the machine. We need to turn it right to start the machine. Okay, this one is the emergency button, and this one is the start and the stop button for the machine. And here is the temperature. The green number is the target number. We need to wait around 5 minutes to wait the right number to same as the green number. If we want to reset the target number, we can click the stack button, raise up, roll down, and click again. Okay, here is the touch screen of the machine. Here you can choose the different language of the machine. The standard language is the Chinese and English. If you want to choose another language, you can contact with us. Okay, we can click the English language so we can see the auto page. This one is the menu page for you to text the machine at the beginning. This one is the function page. And here is the alarm page. And here is the parameter of our machine. You can see here is the bed length. We can set the bed length on the touch screen. We start the machine now. And enter this button to stop the machine. This is the date. This machine is very easy to operate. Okay, if you have any confusions on our machine, please contact with us at any time. Bye-bye.